Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe. Welcome back, Pixelvestors. Your business is running smoothly, your quality is high, and you are earning a steady profit. But a great business never stands still. It grows. Your next task is to double your production. It's just too slow. It will take forever to prepare the new field with this old hoe. The smartest businesses don't just keep their profit, they use it to improve. This is called reinvestment.
You can use your profit to invest in a better tool. It's a high cost now.
But that's almost all our profit. Shouldn't we just save it?
But look at the benefit. This tool is 10 times faster. It will save us so much time, we can make our money back quickly.
You're right. It's a smart investment. Let's do it.
By investing your profit, you created even more value. This is called return on investment.
I get it. We had to spend money to make even more money.
By reinvesting your profit into better tools, you made your business faster and more efficient, which will lead to even greater profits later. A truly smart investment.
Your business is a well-oiled machine. But a machine is useless if no one knows it exists.
How do you tell the world about your amazing products? That is a lesson on marketing for next time on Pixelvestors. Welcome back. The team's business was a success. Their systems were efficient, their brand was strong, and their customers were happy.
But it's always the same few customers. How do we get all those other villagers to visit our shop?
An excellent question. You have a great product, but nobody will know unless you tell them. This is called marketing.
So we need to make an advertisement.
Yeah! Let's tell everyone how great our carrots are.
Exactly. And every great advertisement starts with a catchy slogan. Something short, memorable, and that tells people why your brand is special. A slogan. Okay, how about this?
It's true. But it's not exciting. It doesn't tell them why our carrots are special.
Now that is a slogan. Memorable, exciting, and it connects to your brand name. Excellent work!
With their slogan ready, the team needed to create their advertisements. Putting a sign at our stall is good, but to get new customers, we need to advertise where they already are.
Excellent work! You didn't just wait for customers to find you. You went out and found them. That's the power of marketing. You've attracted a new customer. Excellent. But how do you make sure they come back again and again? That's a lesson on building a reputation. That's a lesson on building a reputation for next time on Pixelvestors.
Goodbye!
Goodbye! Goodbye!